Hey, what is going on everyone? Welcome back to Kiwoon Learning, and today, once again, we'll be going over the overall markets through just the larger ETFs like SPY, ticker SPY, as well as QQQ. Again, these two basically ETFs kind of encompass what the overall market is kind of moving in. We'll also be going over larger stocks like Apple and Tesla during today's trading. But other than that, one of the big things that we did see yesterday was FOMC, and it was pretty close to insane. Um, as soon as FOMC kind of came out, we had a huge sell-off running from 387.35 all the way down to 380 flat, nearly 2% move within 5 minutes. We completely revert back up within 30 minutes, and then we end extremely red for the day for the S&P 500. So lots of movement that is going on, and it does seem like we're going to be opening up just slightly red, not by much, but just a little bit red here today. But yeah, just some really big stuff coming out with FOMC, as well as just overall market movement. That is for sure. So yeah, one of the main things that we will be going over today is just kind of why the market's moving the way it is, as well as just some of the overall big kind of things to take away from yesterday and things to kind of just know as market opens today. So we're the morning after, while raising the benchmark rate 3/4 of a point, Fed said that it would keep going until it hits as much as 4.6%. So a lot of this is like earnings, right? So even though the actual earning or the actual event itself wasn't that bad, its future guidance or just the future expectation of whatever the rate for this instance is going to be is what really sent the market lower. The Fed funds rate is at 3 to 3.25%, the highest it's been in more than 14 years. So the announcement triggered an extremely volatile afternoon, and with going pretty big losses by the end of the day. The Bond King and yield curve. Double Line Capital CEO Jeff Gundlach, known as the Bond King, he basically believes that some analysts and market players see a higher yield of shorter-term debt as a sign of recession coming. So as of Thursday, a gap between the yields grew even wider. 2-year Treasury hovering around 4.1%. The odds of recession 2023 are very high, 75%. Right, so extremely bearish here. If you are bears, I think what you're going to be trying to target is trying to lose 372 by the end of the week here. Getting around -1%, another -1% on SPY by the end of the week. Um, but yeah, I mean, I think that we are going to be heading lower. I think it's going to be really just a matter of time here. But yeah, just something to think about as we do head into Thursday as well as Friday's trading. Salesforce, so ticker CRM on New York Stock Exchange. Their basically new goal is that they want to push and stop inflation. So on Wednesday, cloud software company Salesforce talked about unveiling a goal which adjusted operating margin of 25% for the 2026 fiscal year. Shares of the company hit a 52-week low on Wednesday after bouncing back a little during after hours trading. Once again, turmoil in Russia. I mean, Putin calls up 300,000 reservists for the founding invasion of Ukraine. Over 1,300 people arrested. And Zelensky basically saying, I mean, that's kind of what they get. Russia should be paying for this war. However, again, a lot of times it doesn't really happen with the actual people or citizens, right, of Russia. A lot of it does happen with the leaders that a lot of people sometimes don't even have power to vote on or debate on. So again, something to kind of just think about when we are talking about Ukraine and Russia is just that, although it's Putin or it's Ukraine versus Russia, it's really mostly just like Zelensky versus Putin, right? Putin's controlling a lot of what the higher ups and oligarchs are saying. So at the end of the day, the U.S. can try doing as much as they can, but even President Biden, he's condemning Putin's threats, but what we're really trying to do to stop Russia isn't terribly much. We're just trying to aid Ukraine, right? But yeah, more problems for Trump. Wednesday didn't start great for Donald Trump, basically saying that his 3 oldest children and his company for damages for roughly $250 million. Basically talking about they were staging fraud in some extent. They comprised of 2 judges he appointed and one appointed by former President Barack Obama. Unanimously decided to allow federal investigators to resume They're in review of highly sensitive documents and in the Mar-a-Lago criminal investigation. But yeah, other than that, just in terms of other some rather world news here happening today. Oh, good morning, Tree. Um, but yeah, so I was just gonna finish up something real quick. So, just with the Bank of England hiking another 50 basis points, the UK already saying that might be in recession as well. Again, last month we saw stuff with Italy talking about how their bond rate uh, percentage, in terms of percentage points, ran nearly over 27% in just the past year alone. Comparatively, it was up around 20% in the last 10 years. So the overall Europe side is looking relatively rough right now, and it's looking like inflation to hit its peak in October. It's going to be 11% in the UK, and across entire Europe it's going to be relatively rough. Um, Again, kind of like the US here, US is now having its seventh consecutive rate rise. And again, the dollar is proving to be extremely strong. While this seems like a good thing for the US, this isn't actually terribly that great. Because of the fact that the US dollar is getting so strong, the reason why this isn't good on a macroeconomic scale is because of the fact that, yes, when you go and get currency exchange for other countries like the euro or whatever it is, yeah, you won't be taking a hit as much. In fact, you'll probably be up in terms of currency there in the other country. But when you are exporting goods from a country on a macro scale, countries aren't going to want to buy from you, right? So you're going to have a lower GDP for the year just overall because, yes, while you'll be able to produce maybe more net goods, at the end of the day, you aren't actually going to be able to produce that much in terms of exportation and actually making money from other countries. So this is a really big thing right now. As Europe continues to struggle, this will inadvertently affect US at a very large scale. Uh, People even trading options on the US side, right, are going to be affecting if people in Europe are going to be able to essentially buy gas um, towards the end of the year here, and if they're going to be able to survive. So, I mean, yeah, just something to think about with the UK here. And the UK is, again, not the only one rising interest rates. The Central Bank of Europe basically rose 75 basis points again earlier this month, and Switzerland also doing the same thing Thursday morning as well. So yeah, that's something to kind of just think about. In trade, it does look like we are breaking yesterday's lows on SPY. It looks like we kind of just like made a quick rebound, or we tried to at least.
I think we're gonna pump a bit when market opens. So
Yeah,
I'm waiting for that 380 to go short.
Okay.
Because I think it rejected at 380 pre-market high too. So if you want to go short, I think that would be the best place.
Yeah, that's fair. I like that. I think the 380 retest is probably pretty strong. I mean, I think you could argue and say that you don't even need to get up to 380 for that retest.
Yeah.
You could probably enter prematurely around like 379, and then maybe add on as you hit higher.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I like that idea a lot actually.
I don't understand though. So 75 BPS is bearish?
75 BPS wasn't supposed to be bearish. 75 BPS was supposed to be priced in, which makes me think that we are now, like, if it wasn't confirmed before, we're even more so confirmed that we're going to be heading lower here.
No, yeah, because like this is like the first FOMC where it goes down. I think
Yeah.
we jinxed it yesterday.
We definitely did. I mean, you were even saying, like, that guy's strategy doesn't miss. And then 5 minutes
Yeah.
later, do.
No, so his strategy was like, you always fade the first move, and then once Powell starts talking, that's when it rallies, and that's when you sell.
Right, yeah. I mean, yeah, it did completely rally around the same
Yeah,
time, too. It just didn't, like, once we got to day's highs, it kind of just, like, doubled out and then came straight back down.
yeah,
But that first move down was absolutely insane, Tree.
yeah.
Like, again, I was trading calls going up to it. I didn't realize 2 o'clock was coming around the corner that quick. And, like, I got out. You know, so the one thing I sent was, like, I was going in for 2.5, just a YOLO call.
Yeah.
I got I got in at like 2.5, and then I sold at 3.2 because I was like, oh no, screw this. I'm not really just. I got my like 25%ish. I'm not really trying to hold this entire time. And
Yeah,
then literally 5 to 10 seconds later, we completely sell off.
yeah. It was
It's
crazy. So it always gets pushed down, I guess, like when it gets released. But the thing is, like, it's really scary trading in those like 30 minutes
yeah,
because like Ivy's crushing and pumping and then crushing. It's weird. So I was
right.
holding my contract. So I guess like instead of like waiting for it, because like I remember when even when it pumped, like as it went down, the contracts just broke even though it was higher than where you bought it. So I think if you do that for FOMC, you should probably have a strike price that you want to get out of and just set it so
Yeah,
you don't like die.
yeah,
That's
that makes
why I
sense.
sold for only like 20%, 20 something. No, 50%. I sold for 50. Never mind.
That's still really good, but yeah, I can totally see how that can go.
But it went like 200. It's hard to sell though on the way up, so you don't set where you want to get out. I think you just get burned.
Yeah, no, that's fair. Makes sense.
Imagine we just go straight down that open.
I mean, we have 375 is like
Yeah,
insane support, right? So
yeah, I have that support.
I really doubt we break through it, but if we do, I mean,
The
like
next
we
one would
see
be like
372.
I have 373 for some reason.
Bro, I feel like we're talking about like such long ago. I feel like 373 was when I just started training with you. Am I wrong?
Is it? Well, I
372.
kind of. So I drew. Well, cause I delete all the lines, and I just drew it on like the daily chart
Yeah,
yesterday, like
yeah.
after close.
No, that's good.
So it might not be active, but I guess like that area, yeah, 372, 373.
No, yeah, 372 was like the low of June, but also it was like the low of March. Looking at it right now. But yeah, I'm not. I don't know how confident I am, like, in like holding, like psychologically holding this put though. You know?
Your October one.
Yeah.
I feel like that's gonna be in the money by then.
I feel like it is too. However, it's also like a really expensive put.
Yeah,
Like it's already $600 trade. Like a singular contract is already 600. So I'm
crazy.
thinking I just kind of sell and then kind of just wait again.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I'm just at like a, I don't know. I'm just at like some kind of stop. Maybe.
Here we go. Oh, dude. Oh my goodness.
maybe some movement with it. Alright, yeah. I just got out. I got out for 25%, so to be honest, I'll probably take that.
That's pretty good for like such a long dated call. And I meant put that you
Yeah.
bought yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, like Nvidia and Tesla are really big levels right now too. We might just see this completely flush out, I'll be honest. Like, we get buying all the way up to the 379, and then we just, like, die. Imagine.
Yeah. What's IV like? Oh, it's not bad. It's finally not bad.
Wait, what's it at?
Well, it's still kind of high, but 38. I haven't checked SPX yet though.
SPX is 53?
Ooh.
Bro, no, that's not believable. Oh yeah, that's actually crazy. Like, what? Yeah, I don't know.
Ooh.
Yeah, there's that flush. This is kind of expected though, I feel. Because, I mean, large moves now, and you're most likely going to get a lot of buying right at open. And then you're probably going to sell off that candle. So I'm like not terribly surprised. We'll see though. It usually goes 3 red and then 2 green. We shall see. Dum 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 dum. God damn it, true. Of course, it just needs to be like this.
I mean, there's nothing for the rest of the week, right? News-wise.
Correct. So in theory, Ivy dies. But I don't know, man.
Let's see. Let's see. Oh.
Uh-oh, that is daybreak.
Say Thursday? No, Wednesday, right?
Correct. Today is Thursday.
Whoa, it's Thursday already?
Oh, the amount of selling is insane compared to opening candle. Oh my goodness. It's, I guess the 5-minute did signal it open, so I guess it's never wrong, right, Trey?
Yeah.
No, but even yesterday, like, what is that? I sent that screenshot. Like, what? How are you calling bottom of FOMC, bro? Shut up. Like, what? Uh,
Crazy stuff. Some crazy, crazy, crazy stuff.
yeah. That is for you. I like puts, Trey.
If it breaks the bottom, I think it's not bad.
No, I like him here. Yeah, because, like,
Ooh.
you're getting a lot more selling. Like, it's not even close.
I guess these contracts aren't moving that bad for a spy.
Mm. We have Oxy calls coming in? Interesting.
Oh, should I get a put?
I'm definitely considering it.
I'll get an SPX. But it's still expensive. Oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't get in.
No.
Wait, wait. Oh no, wait.
Alright, that might have been the easiest trade of my life.
Why?
I literally got in and out of SPX. My entry was 3.6. I got a 4.0. That was just 10% right there.
Nice.
Yeah, because Trey, like, I'm telling you, I don't think Weeble has this. But, you need to turn this on. Like, go on Trading View and turn this on. Yeah, we're probably gonna get a continuation too.
What is that?
Like, it just shows the buying we're selling. Like, so even on this candle that we move up on the 1 minute, the buying was not strong. We're still, like, basically break even on buying, even though we're moving up. And so we continued selling. Like, again, on this candle back down is extremely strong. And then, like, you can compare it too, right? So, like, compared to, like, what yesterday was selling at, right? Like, when we started selling off, which was, oh my lord, which was around, like, here, right? You get that peak, right? And then you get, like even on this, like, big dip, right? You get continuation below, like, a certain level, right? You get that continuation, like, here, and so you can run puts all the way down to here, probably. And it's the same thing, like, same kind of concept with this.
Dude, the spread on SPX kind of weird. Yeah, but I see. So now it's like kind of bottoming out.
Yeah, it's not kind of bottoming out. But yeah. And so now, like, this, again, it usually follows a trend, but either way, it just shows, like, what the buying we're selling is kind of looking like. Also, I think my trading view page is kind of getting scuffed right now. Yeah.
Dude, my trading view is just free. So, do they have that for free?
Yeah, you can get up to 3 indicators if you just have the free one. This one I think is just called, you can just search if, like, I think it's just like buying selling volume, I think. But I'm getting a lot of long signals here. I want to say that these are invalidated because I really want this move to the downside.
Pre-market low. 375.
Well, here's 375. And yeah, pre-market low is like 375. Yeah, true. I'm thinking, should I just re-enter on same expiry, but just farther out contract? You know?
Yeah, I guess. Not bad.
I'm like pretty confident we like continue to move lower.
We break 375. I am full boarding.
Because like, okay, like October 21st expiry, like 360 strike is like still 550-ish maybe, but like 350 strike is only like $300 or something. So it's kind of what I'm thinking about it. We have SPY put flow coming in, by the way, at support. So
Gonna buy a put? Dude, how did I miss it again? The contract's at 50%.
yeah, that is unfortunate. Sure, I feel like you always miss it though.
No, I was just kind of scared because IV, but like I was trying to get the perfect entry.
Mm. I know, that's fair.
It's 375 right here. I will not short at 375 unless it just goes straight through. Oh, so
This
sad.
might be the
so
next
sad.
alert for the 9 to 5 trades.
Yeah.
No, but yesterday though, like seriously, ARC played out so well. We did have like a green day like here and there, but they weren't that strong. So yeah, it did play out very solid.
Hey, is this the bounce off 375?
Potentially. Let's see what MACD is saying.
Being sell off. Don't hold anything.
Yeah, MACD and Bollingers are signaling long here. But I think we're too far gone. Uh-oh, trade that guy. You know? SPY puts. SPX
SPX or
puts.
SPY?
SPX. 3700 put.
3,700.
Yeah. He's... Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Like right here.
Uh-huh.
What? It's a madman.
Uh-huh.
He didn't even buy up there, he bought here.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Oh, dude, that's crazy. But I will follow.
What?
I like the way this man thinks. Alright, at least get the touch of the... Yes, the 9. Or go up and retest maybe? Ooh, I don't know.
I don't know either, sure.
Dude's crazy.
Yes, I will give him that.
Cause he just lost like 30% on that candle.
Yeah, probably. But I'm telling you, this guy's actual ride or die, so he will lose the entire contract before anything else happens.
We'll get one. If I can get filled. Alright, just go up a little higher. Get something good.
Whoa, that was a lot of volume.
Buying?
Oh, selling. But we kind of just didn't move that much on that candle, though.
God damn. Why didn't I get filled again?
You still might. I don't. Volume is high, but the buying versus selling is not very different right here. I mean, of course we're still red, but it's not like terribly strong red. Or not.
Oh my god, dude. It already went 40% from that little move. Dude, SPX contracts confuse me. Like, I don't really understand.
That is understandable.
Huh? Alright. Well, fuck it. I'm getting in.
Imagine it just goes doo 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 doo.
Well, no, I'm not getting in right here because that'll be just stupid.
Yeah, I was
If it
like,
breaks.
alright.
Oh, dude, why so stupid? Why so stupid? Oh my god, how's it at 70%? Why did I just get in?
I don't know. But it's okay, I guess. But yeah, so in theory, we next support range is like 370, 362 to 372, like that $10 move. This might be where you can get your 9 entry.
Oh, dude, it's too close though. Should we just do it? Be a man?
Buying is getting like kind of strong here, but I mean, I don't know. We just need like the close under 75. I mean, technically we got it, but it's just like not very strong. We need like a giant momentum candle breaking through this level.
I will get confirmation before I trade.
That is always
It's
good.
only good practice.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine. It doesn't hurt. Okay. This is my confirmation.
Okay.
This is my confirmation.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's not my confirmation.
I was gonna say, you still have 40 more seconds on this candle.
Yeah, this is not my confirmation. Ooh, I don't know.
Kinda looks like we're trying to bottom.
Dude, that's some strong buying right here. That's 984 in volume. Yeah. Maybe calls?
I mean, this would be one aggressive ass play for calls.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, look at that.
Tree, we just need to like stop talking until we like get some sort of
No.
traction. We're just like, what? But also QQQ or TQQQ, sorry, flirting with yearly lows.
Oh, Caleb, that's the break. I'm going in.
5 seconds. Don't
Just
get
kidding.
squeezed out.
It was a joke. It was a joke. I was kidding. I'm just like scaring it, you know? Because every time I say I'll get in, it'll go back up.
Okay. Buying is definitely stronger though, unlike this last 4. 5-minute
Yeah.
candle, minute 40 here. Wicks provide fuel, but also they provide where supply and demand zones are.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh. So you think selling is not that strong?
Yeah.
I mean, there we go all the way back up. That is my only problem. Selling is not strong.
Guy, he said, it's time to go. It's moon time.
But yeah, that guy did say it's moon time for puts, so. Oh, buying is getting strong here though.
No, it is. Yeah. Dude, this is so weird. I somehow have like the 374, 75 area for support, and it's
Mhm.
been bouncing there. That's why I haven't been getting anything.
Tree and his
Random
dumbass support
supports, right?
areas, bro.
Dude, somehow it always like perfect to the penny though. Well, not the penny,
I mean,
because
you're
that went
probably
down
like
yesterday.
just taking the exact tick on like a day like super far out that people probably have as like certain buy or sells like. So it's probably why
Yeah.
it's on the penny or so close to it at least.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Kind of just looks like your 9 is gonna be a very pretty spot to enter.
Ooh, what the fuck is this?
If I knew, I would tell you. This is some slow movement though. We are gonna get a big move one way or the other here.
These are 5 minutes, all red candles.
Yeah, also buying may have just peaked on that last candle with 1 minute. That's not what you want to see if you're bulls. But that retracement is.
Dude, this itch. So stupid.
I mean, we are
So
making
dumb.
lower highs, right? So,
I don't know, I might just break that trend now. Oh.
bro, what is this? Yeah, for QQQ under 280 is bloody. 275.30 for now.
Okay. 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 It's like teasing me. It's like moon time or no moon time.
This is consolidating so hard though.
It's a wedge. Is this a flag? This is a descending wedge? I can't tell.
I don't know. I wouldn't really call it that.
Alright, I think
yeah,
I'm gonna get a put, no? You can't stop me. You can't stop me, Kim.
It just completely goes back up. It's like, actually, I can't stop you.
Yeah, I'm not gonna miss this one, buddy. Oh, okay. Good thing I didn't get in yet.
What are you saying about not missing? Trey?
Yeah, that's not a candle you want to see.
That is, it's very true.
I think we go up from here.
Well, in theory, we would just make another low high again, and then we just go right back down.
No, no, no. That candle was crazy. But he said moon time. Why he lied to me?
No one knows, Trey.
Maybe he's not lying though.
Oh my goodness. This is gonna be one bumpy ride down.
I heard there was talks of moon time. Where is moon time? Oh dude, what is this candle? What are these candles?
Yeah, this is the chop before move. If I ever seen it before. It's gonna be one bumpy ride down.
Ooh. Moon time?
Selling is getting strong. Minus 24 area here.
Oh, dude, these wicks.
Yeah, candles just be
There's
getting
something
eaten up
else.
right now. Candles do be getting eaten up. Doobie 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 doobie. So I got as low as minus 30 there. God
What the
damn.
fuck? Dude, this is crazy.
I mean, again, we have to think about like that there is gonna be like hella movement after FOMC. Or hella volatility at the very least. So I guess it's like
Yeah.
to be expected, but also like these wicks are like crazy.
I was promised moon time. Oh, dude, just die, Spy, just die. I bought a put, by the way.
Okay, okay. Like it, like it. Increasing volume here, huh? Again, these are not great candles, but increasing volume on the selling side is kinda cool. Alright, I'm gonna lock in green here. It's probably the smart thing to do.
Ooh,
Gosh dang.
trying. It's trying.
Definitely is. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. It's just very, very slow. Oh, and there goes.
But I was promised moon time. Yeah, I should probably get out. Ah,
Probably.
if we get a close above 374, 75, I'll get out.
Yeah. I mean, here's the thing, right? Like, I feel like today we are still very bearish. You just are gonna have to have the balls to hold it.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, I guess we didn't break through 374 yet, so I don't know if continuation down to 372 is still prominent, but I don't know.
Yeah.
What's the 15 minutes on us? 15 minutes on us, we did not get a close under. Or we did, but it was just barely. Yeah, 374.96.
Alright, I gotta get out. I'm out. That, my friend, was crazy.
I want to pick up another swing trade, I'll be honest.
because this is like the weirdest chop.
Yeah.
Well,
It
that was a
really
9
is.
touch on the 5. Well, almost touched it.
Damn, is Arc red today too? Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Arc is at 39? Oh, tree, I don't even want to see what their contract is at. 39? Oh my goodness. Okay, October 21st puts... Oh my goodness, tree. That puts it 428. The entry was 2.9. 60%er? Okay. Not bad for a swing at all. Sad times, sad times. Bro, I really wanted Ivy to go down too, you know?
Yeah.
Because that way tomorrow's Friday, we could have Lotto Friday, and I could run the SPX straddle that I've been trying to run for such a long time now. IV on SPX is still 49%. Why? I mean, at least it's coming down, right? It was what? Did I say 52 at open?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to run the straddle until we get into like the 30s though.
Yeah, that was the 9 touch on the 5. 9 and VWAP.
Whoa. Apparently Kiwoon Learning on LinkedIn last week appeared in over 180 searches. That's kind of cool. Our LinkedIn now has 241 followers.
Nice.
Bro, it's actually so funny. Like, I feel like no one my age either, like, sets up their LinkedIn. Or at least not until they get, like, further into college. And, like, I started such a long time ago. At the beginning, all I was doing was connecting with people. So, right now I have, like, over, like, 1,600, like, connections, which I know don't mean anything, but it's just funny to see, because I have zero social media presence, like, anywhere, but my LinkedIn has, like, probably 5 times the following of what my Instagram is, so it's just
That's
funny.
cool.
Yeah,
Oh, this is the rejection off the 9.
it does look like it.
But do we make new lows or do we not? That's the question.
That is the question. Bro, 375 does not want to give up. It's like, no, no.
Oh, it is now. Nope.
Okay, what's Apple doing? Apple's been a really good gauge. Apple's just been running up. 54, last 30 minutes. Sorry, what did I just say? 30 minutes? Oh, 10 minutes, sorry. Apple's just been on tear up. Spies bouncing. Calling bottom of the day.
Ooh, that's a bold one. You're gonna fade the moon time, man?
Yeah, yeah, I am.
Oh,
I'm fading the moon time, man.
not the moon time, man. Oh, you might be right though.
Yeah, I don't know. I think he's still up on the contract right now, though.
Ow.
Because he
That's
got,
crazy.
like, a good entry. Might be back to, like, break even slash a little red here, but... Oh.
Yeah, this looks like bottom. I feel like when it like is circular like this, it's bound to go up.
Sorry, what did you just say?
Like when it rounds out at the bottom like this, it's bound to go up.
Oh, yeah, you're not wrong. Also, when you look on, like, the buying we're selling on the 5-minute, just in comparison, buying is now at, like, 17, and last time, not last time, but usually when we get, like, over the 10, one way or the other, with closes, you usually go in some sort of reversal pattern.
Yeah. There she is. There she goes.
There she goes. There she goes. He only sent one message between when he alerted and now. All it is wow.
Huh? What did he say?
Wow.
Wow. Just wow. I feel ya, buddy. I feel ya.
Yeah. That is unfortunate. Also, buying's increasing. There's a sell signal though.
Yeah.
Well, what are we in the 5-minute? 5-minute, we don't get sell signal until. Oh well. Not until 380. Also, trade. Yesterday, it peaked at like 90, 95 degrees. And then by next week, it's supposed to hit 40 in Indiana.
Jesus.
Like, what a. What's going on there? Some crazy things. This is kind of sick. I just got reached out to by this company called Teach for America's Recruitment. Basically said, I came across your profile, blah blah blah, as I saw the given academic studies in finance, bachelor's, and your interest in education for nonprofit sectors. I'd like to invite you to a workshop for equity-minded growth, grow professionally for an internship. September 29th? Oh, okay, no, that's not a week. I thought that was today. I was like, what? I encourage you to attend, blah, blah, blah. It's kind of cool, actually. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I will do it.
Ooh, we got rejected at 376.5. Ah, I should enter puts there.
Yeah. In theory.
Are we just gonna be in a range again today? Cause that'll be really sad.
That would be really sad, but also expected. We moved like 2.5% on SPY in an hour tree. So, yeah, I'm not terribly surprised IV is high, as well as the fact that we might get consolidation today. But yeah. Tree, I'm telling you, if SPX opens at implied volatility, what did I just say? At implied volatility tomorrow at 30%, or in the range of 30%, I will run the straddle. It's going to happen.
Do it. I dare you.
And I will not sell. I will close my account. I will just lock myself out of my account.
Damn. Alright, so I did get puts up there. I didn't want to sound like a madman, but I'm up.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm getting out now.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, normally, like, I would never fade those such strong, like, green candles, but
Tree, you can't fit the algo.
yeah, because right when you said it, and I have, like, resistance there, so I was like, okay, I'll just follow the algo.
Bro, this
And
is
then guess
stupid
what?
though, right? Like,
Yeah.
like what?
Alright. Alright, I got it out for 100. Oh, okay. Okay, now I need to chill. I need to take a chill pill.
No, like what? What is this?
Yeah.
Like,
I like it.
that wasn't even a 5-minute signal. That was just a 1-minute signal, and I got the candle right too.
Yeah.
Okay, yesterday was just stupid. I'm not even looking at yesterday. Yesterday, kind of got signals everywhere. No, this is actually on some stupid stuff, Tree.
Tell me when it gets a buy signal. I will buy with it.
You aren't gonna get a buy signal until hit day's lows, basically.
Mm.
I can turn on MACD though. Today looks really boring, I'll be honest. There like are people coming on the stream and I'm like trying to go through like my mindset, but there's nothing to be happening today. Yesterday was like the really fun day, but Today is just like, it's boring.
Unless we break these lows, then it won't be boring.
Yeah, I mean, if we break the lows, maybe it's not, but as of the first basically hour of trading.
Here we go, the 375 again. It's like, nah. Nah, nah, nah. Oh, it broke. Will it hold though? It's the real question. Is he saying anything else besides wow?
No, he hasn't sent another message since then, so I think he's still holding.
Dude, the ball's on that man.
Yeah, no, I
Crazy.
know.
But I have a feeling somehow he's gonna be right.
It's like SPY, most red day since 2008, minus 4%.
Yeah. My god, this is boring. Na, 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 na.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to end the stream because I can't. Nothing is going on.
Yeah.